I started when I was still in law school, 5.5 years ago. And when I finished school, they hired me on as a lawyer, and I've been here ever since. So I don't deal with the clients directly very often. Instead, what I do is I work on time-consuming written motions and also appellate assignments. So a lot of my day is spent reading and writing. Instead of out gathering the facts, I'm back in my office writing persuasively, trying to persuade the court what the law should be and why we should win. Well, one example comes from a couple years ago. We had a case where our client was very sick with his disease, but he wanted to hang on through his jury verdict, and he made it to the verdict. And the jury awarded him money for lost income that he would have earned during the rest of his life, if not for his disease. So he was awarded substantial money, and then he died only 4 days after the verdict. The defendant that was found responsible then asked the trial judge to eliminate all the future compensation on the grounds that, well, the client didn't live to suffer that harm anyway, so we should just eliminate it all. So they were seeking to benefit from causing our client's death sooner than expected. The trial judge agreed with them, but we appealed the decision, and we actually won. The rule was that once the jury has made a decision, no one can go back and eliminate that compensation just because the victim happened to die sooner than expected. So that was one of my favorite victories, and I'll remember it probably the rest of my career.